Well, thank you so much for being here. It's been a very fun week with the kids. It's Rolling Stones week. So every week we have something different for the kids and for you guys for the concert. We have a bigger group now, so it's very nice that we have Miss Julie with us and we have another music room, so we now are able to work a little bit more comfortable with the kids. So the idea of the program is to giving them a little bit, a little taste of everything for the kids with the instruments. So in the morning we have, for example, Amara. She was playing the bass guitar, which is very similar to the electric guitar, I guess, but still a little bit different. They've got a little time on the drums. She usually plays the piano, so we want to encourage the kids to experience a little bit different instruments, and this is the perfect time for that because they can be consistent for the whole week. And I think that's pretty much the idea. Keep it fun for them, but at the same time, they're doing something very difficult. Not everybody's able to play Rolling Stones, so they're the Rolling Stones for a reason. So we're very, very proud of their hard work. It takes a lot to commit with music. When they come in, I always tell them that it's, hello.
There she is. Yay.
I always tell them that it's fun, music is fun, but requires discipline like any other art class here. First discipline, it's hard work. We do have fun, but we do have to work hard before having fun. And I think these classes, they got it pretty good. We're very proud of the work we did. Everybody?
All right, everyone's parents are here.
Everybody's here?
Let's take it away.
Let's go, guys.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our show. We're playing for Painted Black by the Rolling Stones. This is our band, the Cool Kids at Sunrise. Tisha, me, plays the bass guitar. Amira plays the lead/electric guitar. Arjun plays acoustic guitar. Vivian plays the drums. Gabriel plays the piano. Rochelle plays the tambourine. Landry is our singer. Enjoy your show.
Give 1 minute.
Everybody ready? Oh, not yet. Hold on. All right, we ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go.
the drums, we have John. On the pianos, we have Bria, Isabella, me, Madison, Dave, and Robert. On the bass, we have Allie. On the tambourine, we have Ashley. The xylophone, we have Louisa.
What is the song?
I said this.
Is it okay?